Hello, I hope you guys are having a good day today. Today we are going to do your math lesson for your written assessment 23. Okay, so you're going to need to get that out. You're going to need a pencil and an eraser. Okay. And then you're also going to need blue, red, and green. Blue, red, and green. Okay. So if you need to pause me, you need a pencil, an eraser, and then you need blue, red, and green. Okay. So pause me if you need to, and we're going to go ahead and get started, right? So because this is a test, I'm just going to read you guys the directions. I'm not going to work it out with you. I'm going to try to read the directions slowly like I would do in the classroom, all right? So don't look at your neighbor's paper. All right. So you need to get your name and your date on there. This test was meant for Thursday of this week. So find yourself a calendar in the room, something. If you're taking this test on a different day, that's all right too. Just make a note there. All right, so name and date. So number 1, Randy counted 24 pennies. He put them in groups of 10. Draw the pennies and draw a box around the groups of 10. Okay, so I'm going to read it again. Randy counted 24 pennies. He put them in groups of 10. Draw the pennies and draw a box around the groups of 10. So that'll look kind of like some of the things we've had on the worksheets, where how they put the groups of 10 in boxes so that you can see them. Okay, so you had 24 pennies, put them in groups of 10, and then you're going to put a box around the groups of 10. So that means that your ones would be outside the box. All right, so then once you've got that drawn, it says Philip gave him 10 more pennies. Draw the pennies Philip gave Randy. Okay, write a number sentence to show how many pennies Randy has now. Okay, I'm going to start over. I'm going to go right back up to the beginning. Okay, there are 3 places in this that you need to have an answer. The box, you draw it. Number sentence, you're going to write the number sentence. And don't forget, they always ask you one more time, how many pennies does Randy have now? And you're going to write your answer again on that little line. Okay, so Randy counted 24 pennies. He put them in groups of 10. Draw the pennies and draw a box around the groups of 10. Okay, so you should have gotten that drawn with the 24 pennies. Then Philip gave him 10 more pennies. Draw the pennies Philip gave Randy. Okay, then you're going to write a number sentence to show how many pennies Randy has now. So you're going to take what he started with and write your number sentence, what he started with, and what Randy gave him. And don't forget to put that answer one more time on that little line where they say how many pennies does he have now. Number 2, circle the number cards you can put where the X is. Okay, so if you look in that box, there are 5 squares. 4 of them have numbers, and the one in the middle has an X. Okay, so they go in order: 17, 26, something, 34, 49. All right, now out to the side, you have 4 little boxes: 25, 28, 30, and 37. Okay, circle of those 4 out to the side: 25, 28, 30, and 37. Circle the ones that could go where the X is. So that means they fall between 26 and 34. So you're going to circle the ones that could go in that place. All right. Number 3 says point to the hexagon that is divided into thirds. So find the one that is divided into thirds. Now color 1/3 blue. All right. Point to the hexagon that is divided in half. Color 1/2 red. All right. Point to the hexagon that is divided into sixths. Color 1/6 green. 1/6 green. All right, I'm going to go back up to number 1 and I'm going to read all the way down through number 3. Okay, so if there's anything that you still weren't positive about on any of those, just listen. Number 1, Randy counted 24 pennies. He put them in groups of 10. Draw the pennies and draw a box around the groups of 10. Philip gave him 10 more pennies. Draw the pennies Philip gave Randy. Write a number sentence to show how many pennies Randy has now. How many pennies does Randy have now? Blank pennies. Number 2, circle the number cards you can put where the X is. Okay, so look at the X in the box. Okay, there is a number that can come between 26 and 34, or more than one if you see more than one. All right, so you're going to circle from the cards that are to the right outside of that box which of those 4 cards can fit where that X is. You'll circle. Number 3, point to the hexagon that is divided into thirds. Color 1/3 blue. Point to the hexagon that is divided in half. Color 1/2 red. Point to the hexagon that is divided into sixths. Color 1/6 green. If you need to pause me or if you need to rewind and listen to any of that later, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and do number 4 now. Number 4 says find the answers. Okay, so you're just adding those numbers to 10. So you work those. Give you a second to work on that and then I'll read number 5. All right, number 5. Use the classroom calendar to answer these questions. Okay, you don't have a classroom calendar. All right, because we're not in the classroom. So you use a regular calendar. All right, so I'm going to open up May, because this is the first week of May. All right, so it says, what was the date of the first Monday of this month? Okay, so let me see, hold this up for you guys. All right, so if you find Monday, okay, that's the M. Okay, then you go straight down. What was the date of the first Monday this month? All right, so you're going to write that down. You can either write May and then the numbers, or you can say 5 for May. Okay, So that would read as 5 dash, then the day, and then the year. Okay. Light changed. All right. The next one says, what day of the week will it be tomorrow? Okay. This test I have scheduled for the 7th, okay? For May 7th. So, if today were the 7th, what day of the week would it be tomorrow? So the 8th. What day of the week would the 8th be? Okay. You look up at the top, it goes S for Sunday, M for Monday, T for Tuesday, W for Wednesday, another T for Thursday, F for Friday, and S for Saturday. So you just got to remember how the days of the week, what order they go in to read that calendar. Okay, so if today is the 7th, what day of the week would tomorrow be? So that would be the 8th. Okay, and how many days are there in 1 week? How many days are there in 1 week? If you don't know the answer to that, do the days of the week and count on your fingers. But hopefully you know how many days are in a week. All right. If you need any of that repeated, just rewind me. Hopefully that was clear. Try not to give you too much information, so I'm not giving you the answers while still helping you. Okay, but if you need any of that repeated, just rewind me. I hope you guys did great. I hope all that makes sense. I hope that math is still coming together good for you guys. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.